Good morning. I am Buddhi Chaudhary Tharu from Western Australia, Brook Farm. Today I am going to do one of my assignment of the topic of engage in workplace communication and collect and record production data. So the purpose of this assignment is to how to follow the standard work procedure or work instruction in workplace. So I have chosen shade work or floor work in breeder farm by considering Brook Farm, Muse, Western Australia. So when we talk about the floor work, we have standard work procedure to enter into the farm, to consider biosecurity. Therefore, we have to take shower, put our all the clothes and belonging in the UV cabinet and run it for at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. And we have to take thoroughly shower and change the farm dresses, pants, shirts, hairnet, boots, all these things. Once I wear the dresses, then first do a declaration with manager that I haven't traveled in other farm at least for 48 hours within the incomes or 72 hours if to other enterprise or other companies farm. Once that is declared and we change the boots when we reach to the shed and we wear mask, P2 mask, wear the glasses and use the gloves. So first we dip the boots in food bath that is containing BioGuard to disinfect the boots. So once we enter the shed, first we check the lights, drinker, are there water or not, and then the floor so that we walk cautiously without tripping or falling on the ground. It's very important in the shed because in sometimes the litters are wet or moist, so someone can easily trip. So when we start floor walk, we start from close to the slat or close to the nest box. So we first go by following the nest box and turn right and then move towards the wall so that chickens will come towards the nest box to lay the eggs. But we have to walk very slowly and we should not hurt to chickens. We can take a flag so that we can move our chicken from sitting so that the number of floor eggs can be reduced. Once we complete the floor walk in one side, then we come out and slowly close the doors, and again we dip our boots in footbath and move to next side of the shed. In the next side, we do the same thing. We dip the boot, we start to do floor walk from close to the slat or nest box, then returning towards the wall so that chicken again will come towards the nest box for laying the eggs. So during this process, it's very important to find out, are there any safety related hazards, or are there any issue related to feeding, drinking water, or the lights. So if we found anything related to these issues, we note down in the production book and immediately we inform to the supervisor or manager so that appropriate action can be taken based on the scoring of the hazards that Ingham has its risk assessment chart. If we follow this way, work instruction or standard work procedure, then the chance of hazards happening or any issues related to animal welfare, biosecurity will be reduced. Therefore, it is very important to follow the policy and procedure to enter into the shed. That's the one example that I have given, that I am following and we do in Ingham's breeder farm. That could be slightly different based on the types of shed and the size of shed, because in some farms there could be a tunnel ventilated shed, and some shed in some farm shed could be like fogger system for cooling down or maintaining the temperature in the shed. So this matter could be discussed in toolbox talk, or every morning that we have tea talk with manager or supervisor to address the different problem in the shed related to production and data recording. And it's very important to having clear, objectively the communication in the written form, and sometime in by demonstrating, and sometime we need to even show the problem in the shed to take action on time. Thank you very much, and I will appreciate if I will get any feedbacks and comments on this video. Thank you.